We also have Yash on the screen because he's got us an exclusive. As the news flash at the bottom of your screen tells you that the SEBI may release its circular soon on weekly index expiry days. Yash joins in with more. Yash, what are these days and what does it mean for both BSE and NSE?
Well, of course, the important piece of news is that the circular, when it comes to weekly index expiry, is expected shortly. This is from the doors of market regulator SEBI. Of course, SEBI had put out a consultation paper very recently after the flip-flop in expiry days between the two exchanges, NSE and BSE. What SEBI had said in the consultation paper is that there would only be two expiries. One would be on Tuesday and one would be on Thursday. So there's this enough gap between the two expiries. And of course, once the final regulations are out, then it will be decided which exchange gets what day as its expiry. What we've been given to understand is that the National Stock Exchange, NSE, has already applied with market regulator SEBI when it comes to having Tuesday as its expiry day. What that means is that if NSE is given Tuesday as its expiry day, then BSE naturally would be given Thursday as its expiry day, as SEBI has said that both expiries from both exchanges cannot be on the same day. What we've been given to understand from our sources is that SEBI's appointed SMAC, which is the Secondary Markets Advisory Committee, met recently to discuss and suggest the final regulations around the expiry days to market regulator SEBI. As I said, NSE has already applied for Tuesday when it comes to that expiry day. Also, what we've been given to understand is that market regulator SEBI is actively considering NSE's request to grant Tuesday to the exchange as far as its expiry day is concerned. This could be negative, as analysts suggest, for BSE, because the numbers that we've been getting from analysts is that this could lead to a migration of about 20% volumes away from BSE. 15% could migrate to NSE. This could also lead to an increase of nearly about 5% market share in index options for NSE. These are the numbers largely that we've been collecting from analysts, but certainly could be negative for BSE.
All right, negative for BSE. If NSE gets a Tuesday, BSE gets a Thursday. Wonder how that goes on. We'll await the circular, as Yash said, should be out anytime soon. But